You want me to get the net, buddy? You want to fight him for a bit more? All right, let's get this fishing. Okay, stop reeling. Push the button. Thanks, man.
These guys like, oh, I like the small deep in your stomach.
That's alright, he's killed anyways, right? Gotta lay him down.
Yeah, just stick him in the net.
Let's get another one. Let's get another one, Uncle David.
I don't know, there's some big fish in here. Could be $100 fish, right?
Yeah, but I want another.
What's that pond over there? Is that like a catch and release pond? Or?
No, both of these you have to keep everything.
Oh, do you? Okay, cool, man.
Just the only difference really is size. Like,
yep.
Average ones here usually 2 pounds, maybe 3.
Yep.
And then down there it's 1 to 2. It's only really the only difference is like time-wise. That slow pond is a fast pond.
Oh, okay, cool. All right, thank you.
Because as you can see, like down there
more
you can't
fish.
see anything really, because well, it's hotter usually in that pond, and here we just restocked this on Monday.
Oh, okay, cool. Well, Brodie,
I want to get another one.
here's your fish. Let's see you beside this fish. Look at that. It's almost bigger than Brodie.
Yeah, but can we get another